What's up, guys? Welcome to Fish Over Chicks Woodworking. My name is Peter, and today I'm going to be going over the top 5 woodworking projects I make that sell, and I've made a ton of money selling these, so let's get right into it. So number one. Number one is actually kind of tied with number 2, because these first two I've sold about an equal amount of. As I said a few videos before, I started selling my woodworking project about 2.5 months ago, and I've made quite a bit of money doing it, over 130 sales. The top 2 that I've sold the most of are coffee tables and side tables. I've sold over 30 of each. That farmhouse coffee table on my channel, the first woodworking video I posted, that coffee table I've sold over 30 of. People love them. They're 40 bucks, so they're cheap. They're easy to make. They're small enough that they can fit in anyone's house. They're great. They're perfect projects, especially for beginners. That was one of the first things I actually learned how to make. Super easy to make. You know, I've made over 30 of them, so I can knock them out pretty fast now. That coffee table will cost you about $20 in wood and take you an hour to make, maybe. And you sell it for 40 bucks on Facebook Marketplace, you will make money. So definitely that coffee table is one of the best ones. The next, a close second, I'm going to call this one second, is the side table. So the side table is a super sleek, simple design. You can click one of these corners for that video. It does not take long to make. I mean, I'd say probably 30 minutes altogether for that one. Super simple. You only need like 3 pieces of wood. Awesome project, and it's fairly cheap as well. That one's probably about 18 bucks to build, depending on the prices of wood. I've sold a ton of those as well, and people love those. People love side tables, so definitely check that video out if you want to learn how to make that one. Now, before I get to number 3, just want to let you know, if you want to learn how to make these projects, I have videos for most of them already in my on my channel. So just look at my channel, and if I haven't made a video about how to make it yet, I will be making it. Again, before I get on to number 3, I'm going to give an honorable mention. End tables. End tables, they're just smaller versions of the side tables. I will do a video on that soon, how to make those. Super simple. So side tables and end tables go together. So number 3 is benches. Benches, you can make multiple different kinds, different sizes, different colors. Benches are great. People use them in their mud rooms. They sit on them to tie their shoes, and then at the end of the day, they take their shoes off, slide them right underneath. Awesome project, super fun to build. So yes, benches, definitely do benches. Number 4 is desks. Now, desks are an interesting build. I have a video on my channel already posted, which is going to be somewhere up here as well. Now, that bench was a little bit more of a complicated bench than I usually make. Usually my benches are just like the farmhouse coffee table, but with just longer legs. That's the exact build I do. I'll probably do a video on that one soon. You can make desks for super cheap. The previous video I made, the top was 2x3s just glued together, and that came out super good. I highly recommend you watch that video. But other desks I make, I just use maple plywood as the top, and that's super smooth and an awesome tabletop for anything if you want it to be just perfectly smooth. So desks are number 4. Number 5 is cutting boards. I also have a video on how to make that. It'll be up here. I don't know which corner it is, but one of those corners, there'll be a little tag. Click on that, watch that video. But yeah, number 5 is cutting boards. If you're a beginner woodworker, definitely cutting boards. You've probably been asked before to make cutting boards. Super simple, you know, you get to work with hardwoods, nice maples and cherries and walnuts. Super fun to do. Everyone needs more cutting boards, right? And if you organize the pieces of wood in a nice, beautiful pattern, I mean, you can't go wrong with cutting boards. So those are my 5th most sold ones. So those are my top 5 woodworking projects that sell. So I highly recommend you go back to my channel and you watch those videos on how to build those projects, because if you throw those up on Facebook Marketplace and they're fairly priced and they look good, you'll definitely sell them, because people love that stuff. I mean, I can't tell you how many things I've sold. I mean, I can. It's over 130 of mostly those 5. So definitely, if you want to make money, go for those. I'll be making another top 5 projects that sell, but it'll be 6 to 10, because these are my top 5, obviously. But I make videos here all the time, so please like and subscribe. Comment below if you want me to make anything else. You want to know how to make something. You want me to do a video on something. I'm happy to hear what you got to say. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.